Hi guys, this is Kamp here. Welcome to the channel Mobile Tech Expert. Today we are going to unbox the new Samsung Galaxy A21s. Okay, this one is here. Let's do it. Okay, let's start it. Okay. Let's unbox this Samsung Galaxy A21s. This phone comes with a 6.5-inch display and a 5000 mAh battery with a 15-watt fast charging and a quad camera of 48 megapixel. Okay, let's do the unboxing. So the seal is broken. Okay, this is a set. Yes, this is black in color. This is a full glossy design. It comes with a 4 GB RAM, 64 GB internal, and expandable up to 512 GB. And the processor is Exynos 850, which is clocked at 2 GHz speed. And the display here, it is 6.5-inch display, that is 16.63 centimeter, and it's Infinity O type display. And the aspect ratio is 20:9, and it is a PLS IPS HD display. Okay, and for here at the back side there is a quad camera is coming, that 48 megapixel main camera, and one is a 8 megapixel, and other two cameras. Okay, that 48 megapixel is the main camera, and 8 for ultra wide angle, and its wide angle vision is 123 degree, and 2 megapixel macro camera, which is giving you that stunning close-up photos, and 2 megapixel depth camera, which give you that sole focus of the picture. Okay, and backside that fingerprint sensor comes here, and at the bottom side, let's check. Here is a speaker, mic, and C type charger and data connector, and this is 3.5 headphone jack. Okay, and at the top side there is a mic only, and at the right side there is volume rockers and the power key. Okay, at the left side there is a SIM tray, which is having dual SIM plus micro SD slot. Okay, I will show you the SIM ejector is inside the box, and this is the point. You have to unlock the SIM tray. Okay. Okay, let's check the remaining box. Here is the adaptive fast charger of 15 watt, and it is having just check that ratings. Okay, it is having 5 volt 2 ampere and 9 volt 1.67 ampere rating. Okay, and here is the C type cable for data and charger purpose. Okay, and let's check this box. Inside this one, you can see some quick user guides and the warranty card. Okay, it is valid only for India. Okay, that is inside the box. Let's check the body design. It is very stylish one, and the front side and back side looking good, and the glossy and holographic design here, and smooth curves, which gives you good grip, so you can easily hold it like very sharp, just like this. Okay, The processor is Exynos 850 for this Samsung device, which is having two sets of Cortex A55 clocked with 2 GHz each, which provides less draining to the battery and high endurance rate again for this device. It is 119 hours, and so a good battery backup with the 5000 mAh battery. And here comes the display. It is a punch hole, and the camera is in the left top left corner, and it is a 13 megapixel one. Okay. Okay, let's switch on the device. Here is a Samsung logo, and it is secured by Knox. And this phone especially comes with 5 layers of security, that is both hardware and software type securities. And phone is having a smooth experience with the gaming aspects with this Exynos 850, and it is, just wait. Okay, it's on. It is having a smooth display and touch experience. The phone comes with all 3 GB and 6 GB variant, and also with 32 GB and 128 GB internal versions. And you can purchase this one through online and offline mode. Okay, okay, that's it. This phone is also available in blue and white in color. That's it. Okay. Okay, guys, please do like and share the video and subscribe the channel Mobile Tech Expert for maximum. Thank you.